2021 రిపబ్లిక్ డే పరేడ్కు బ్రిటన్ ప్రధానమంత్రి బోరిస్ జాన్సన్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా రానున్నారు. భారత్ పంపిన ఇన్విటేషన్ను బోరిస్ జాన్సన్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశారని యునైటెడ్ కింగ్డమ్ విదేశాంగ కార్యదర్శి డొమినిక్ రాబ్ చెప్పారు. వచ్చే ఏడాది యూకే వేదికగా జరగనున్న G7 సదస్సుకు ప్రధాని మోడీని బోరిస్ జాన్సన్ ఆహ్వానించారని చెప్పారు. ఢిల్లీ వచ్చిన డొమినిక్ రాబ్ విదేశాంగ మంత్రి జైశంకర్తో సమావేశమయ్యారు. భారత్ యూకే సంబంధాలను హైయర్ లెవెల్స్కి ఎలా తీసుకెళ్లాలన్న అంశంపైనే ఫోకస్ పెట్టామన్నారు జైశంకర్. వాణిజ్యం, రక్షణ రంగం, భద్రత, వాతావరణ మార్పులు లాంటి 5 కీలక అంశాలను గుర్తించినట్టు చెప్పారు. ఇండియాతో బలమైన ఆర్థిక, రక్షణ భాగస్వామ్యం కోరుకుంటున్నట్టు డొమినిక్ రాబ్ తెలిపారు.
The focus has been on how to take our ties to a higher level. We focused on 5 broad themes, which was connecting people, trade and prosperity, defense and security, climate and health. As foreign ministers, we naturally reviewed the state of the world, the situation in Afghanistan, the evolution of the Indo-Pacific, and developments in the Middle East were among the subjects that came up. The challenges posed by terrorism and radicalism were a shared concern. Obviously, India has its vision of Indo-Pacific. It is a matter of satisfaction that there is today a growing recognition and acceptance of the idea of Indo-Pacific. I think the Foreign Secretary comes here at a very important time. It's an important time because we are looking at a post-COVID world. Even independently of the COVID, India was looking at, I would say, re-engineering many of its important relationships in a more imaginative and productive way. We're also looking at a post-Brexit world from the perspective of the UK. So this is a right time really for us to put our heads together, discuss where are you, where are we, how does the world look, where do our interests sort of converge, what can we do together. And we certainly think that the presence of Prime Minister Boris Johnson as the chief guest at Republic Day 2021 would be, it would be in a way symbolic of a new era, of a new phase of our relationship.
We look forward to taking this forward in 2021, including through the UK's presidency of the G7 and also our presidency of the UN Climate Change Conference, and as we see and welcome India return to the UN Security Council. And it's very much with that in mind that I'm pleased that Prime Minister Johnson has invited Prime Minister Modi to join the UK-hosted G7 summit next year. And Prime Minister Johnson has also gratefully accepted the very generous invitation to attend India's Republic Day celebrations in January, which is a great honour.